Hey guys, welcome back. Today I have a video showing you the products that I have used up. I honestly don't even know like the time frame that I use these products up. I was trying to film and upload a Empties every month, but I think I missed last month or the month before. I'm so off track. I know I filmed one. I didn't get it up because the month just kept slipping away from me and I was dealing with a lot emotionally and personally that I just didn't upload anything for like a month. So if you're interested in seeing that video, I do have the footage, but I don't know, it's been a while. So anyway, these are the products that I've used up recently, I guess. The first one I have is from Up and Up, and it's the Invigorating Facial Cleanser. I do really like this cleanser. It is kind of a dupe for the Clean and Clear Morning Burst Cleanser. It's just a little bit cheaper. This one's from Target, and I do really like it. I've used up another of my favorite therapeutic shampoo for my dandruff hair. This is from Equate, since I mentioned that Target stopped carrying mine, so this one's from Walmart, and it's just a dandruff shampoo that works really well for me. I used up from Aveda. It's the Cherry Almond Softening Conditioner, which I got, I believe it was at BeautyCon this past year, and I really like the scent of this. This was a really nice shampoo, or conditioner, not shampoo. I still have the shampoo. I also used up from Garnier a Triple Nutrition Marvelous Oil Hair Elixir for dry to very dry hair. I've actually had this for years and years and years and just kind of stopped using it because it was really heavy for my hair, but I feel like my hair type has kind of changed and gotten a lot drier over the past few years. So I pulled it back out and I've been working on using it up, and I finally did. I used up some Advil and Excedrin, Headache Life. This was from Juice Beauty. The entire label just kind of melted away, and it was just a facial oil that I really liked. I'm currently using the Tarte Maracuja oil, which I like, but I don't like it as much as the Juice Beauty, and I would definitely love to purchase that one. I know they sell it at Ulta, so I'll have to look into finding it there. I am tossing a sponge from L'Oreal. It is so old and it's missing a huge chunk from the back of it. It's just time to go. I did purchase a new one, but I feel like they changed how they make it because it's so much denser and thicker than this one was. Like, this one was very spongy and easy to work with, but the one that I have now, I don't like it as much, and I'm hoping they didn't change the formulation of the product because it was such a good product, like better than the Beauty Blender. So hopefully I just got like a bad one, I don't know. I used up Rimmel Stay Matte powder in transparent, my favorite powder of all time. Have a backup of this. I'm using it right now. I need to get another one because I've hit super pan on it. I used up some Colgate toothpaste. This is the Max Fresh, one of my favorites. I'm currently using a not Colgate, Oral-B, I don't know. It's a charcoal. It's a charcoal toothpaste. I'm really struggling to like formulate thoughts. I've got a headache starting and it's hard to talk. The next thing I used up is from IT Cosmetics. It was a Bye Bye Under Eye Full Coverage Anti-Aging Waterproof Concealer in Light or Ultra Fair. I did really like this. It's very thick and very heavy, but it's a very nice concealer and it worked well for me. I used up a trial size of the Origins Clear Improvement Active Charcoal Mask. I used Clairol Brilliant Shine Conditioner because I did color my hair darker, and surprisingly it's still sticking, and this was done towards the end of March because I did it right before my brother's wedding. So it's been over a month and it still looks as deep and dark as it was when I actually put the color in. I used up some floss. That's the Oral-B Glide. One of my favorite drugstore mascaras from Rimmel London. It's Wonderfully Real mascara. This is waterproof, and I compare it to Benefit Bad Gal Bang. Like, it's that good. It's very runny and goopy at first, but once you get air into it, it works so well, and it really is a wonderful mascara. The next product I used up is from Maybelline, and it's the Fit Me Matte and Poreless in 102 Fair Porcelain. I have another one of these. I used it today. And then the last product I used up is a chapstick, and it's in green apple. So that is everything that I have used up recently. I'm excited to get this stuff out of my life because I don't need to keep holding on to it. I don't think I'm going to be able to do monthly empties just because life is crazy and busy, but we'll see. I just wanted to film this and get these out of here. But again, if you're interested in seeing the other empties video that I did film and never uploaded, go ahead and let me know and I'll put that up. So yeah, I'll leave my empties playlist down below and I'll talk to you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.
If a picture's worth 1,000 words, I'll paint an invitation to let you in.